Hi, this question is about horizontal circular motion. So, a fixed mass of mass m is tied with a string of length L. So, it is moved in a horizontal circular path. So, its speed is increased when it is increased to a certain value v. So, let's say this is its velocity v. So, at that speed, the tension which is providing the necessary centripetal force to this mass to move in the circular path, that tension becomes so high that the string breaks at the speed v. Now we are given in this question the different combinations, like you see the 4L and the 2V at this speed and this length, and the rest of the combinations we have to test that at what combination the string will break, right? So we are provided the initially the length L and the speed V where the string breaks. So let's start. So, how much force was actually at that moment? So, we can find out, by the way, you can right now see that there is just one force that is providing the centripetal force. In fact, there are two forces which are exerted on it. Okay. So, the one force is the mg, is the weight, which is not towards the center. And the second one is the force of tension. Let's say this is the T max. Okay. Because this is a maximum tension. So if we try to write its equation, so it will be T max is equals to mv square over L. Okay, because here the radius is equals to length. So if any of the combination is equals to mv square over L, then at that combination the string will break. So for the first combination, the T prime, that is a new force. Okay, so the mass is not changed m, and v square is 2v whole square divided by the radius is 4l. So let's see, it is 4v square divided by 4l, and obviously you can see that it has become equals to T max. It means that this is a combination of the length and the speed at which the string breaks. So string breaks. But I will quickly show you the other. So this is equals to mv square over 2l, which is, by the way, dear students, T max over 2. So it's a half of the maximum tension. So that should not be the right answer. A is the only right answer. So it will become mv square over 4 divided by 2l. So in short, this will become maximum tension divided by 8. So it is 1/8. Obviously, it is also not the right answer. So last but not least, you can see it will become mv square over 16l, which is 1/16th of T max. So finally, the option A is the only right answer.